You are familiar with DMAS. Now in place of DMAS, if I write here O, so it becomes ODMAS. And what is O stands for? Just now we have seen O stands for off. And off means nothing but multiplication in terms of maths. So we will see this use of ODMAS in the given example. First I will read example for you. 8 plus 66 divided by 3 upon 4 of 44 plus 9. Here 3 upon 4 is a fraction and 3 upon 4 of 44 we have to find out. So according to DMAS we are going with the division first. Now I have written O before D, means before division we have to go for off, and for this we should know where is off. Off is between these two, 3 upon 4 of 44. So first we will solve off, and off, what it means in maths, it means multiplication. So rest I will be writing as it is. 8 plus 66 divided by, now I have to solve this 3 upon 4 of 44. So first I will be writing 3 upon 4, and this off sign I have replaced with 44 plus 9. Just now what we have done, we have just replaced off with the multiplication sign. And now in the rough column I will be showing you how to solve this 3 upon 4 multiplied by 44. Just now I told, as it is in denominator, we can divide this number, like 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4. So the quotient is 11. So 3 into 11, it gives me 33. 11 threes are 33. So when we solve this, 3 upon 4 of 44, it gives me 33. Now I will be replacing that number with 33. This portion which we have solved in the rough column gave 33. So that will be replaced by number 33 plus 9. Now according to ODMAS we have done with off. We have done off first. Now we have to go for division, and the division sign is between 66 and 33. So we'll divide this number, and all of you can see this. I am writing systematically the number according to the sequence only, but I have to follow the solving sequence accordingly. नंबर सेम मैनर में लिख रही हूँ, लेकिन सीक्वेंस में फॉलो कर रही हूँ. जैसे ऑफ पहले था तो वी हैव डन ऑफ, but I have not changed the order of the numbers here. So try to solve in this manner only, systematically. Now we will go for, after off we go for division, and the division sign between these two number. So 33 we will, 66 we will divide with 33. So what it will give in the rough column, if I am trying to do it, it will, the quotient will be 2, because 33 2s are 66. So this number which I have underlined here will be replaced by 2. So here I am writing 8 plus 2 plus 9. Now there is no division sign. All the digits we can add, and what will be the answer? 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 9, it gives me 19. So once again, just see the sequence of ODMAS. Go for O first. O stands for off, D stands for division. After doing the off between the numbers, replace with the answer what it comes after solving. Okay, this is the first step we have done. This is the second step, where 66 divided by 33. So we go for division. In the rough column we have divided, and this number will be replaced by the quotient 2, and remaining numbers as it is we have done, and last we have to do addition. So in this manner ODMAS you will be able to do by your own. Thank you.